Muntaha Mohammed. So today I'm going to show you something cool, but before this I want to tell you that I just downloaded the dragon mod in Minecraft and lokicraft crafting. So this is my dragony. This is a spark, light spark. I don't know how could I hatch this thing. So I just got an idea to replace the under with snow so that it could hatch, and hope I could get my dragon, my first dragon. So I'm going to show you amazing statues. So here I was trying to finish the snow and statue, so I'm going to show you the statues, my statues that I created. So this is a parrot statues, and it have my own banner that I made. Look, it looks like he's picked it up on his mouth. Just look at its eyes. If I go here, it looks like that it's looking at me. He scared me. So there's a, oh no, sorry guys, I just did. So let's go to construction and then fix this thing. Red concrete, so I'm going to keep this in here. Sit. I must make here. Oh no, I take it. Okay, you guys already know that it has in secret that every bird is tamed by me. Hey, get out of my head. Hopefully. Finally he get up. Where did that parrot go? So I have one of my own parrot. Hey, get out. Come here, yay. Come here, little friend. Over here. So you sit. So I do have my own parrot, one of my favorite parrots. I'm going home to show you guys. Yeah, and then I must go to the roof. I don't even have a roof. So this is my favorite. I want him to come on my. Look, wow, this looks cool. Cool. Wait a minute. My parrot, come over. I'm just going to try walking, making my speed better. Grade my speed. Where did my parrot go? Did he just get lost? Nope, not sunrise. I want it to be daytime. My parrot, come here. Come on my back. Okay. So the first statue I already told the secret of the first statue, so let's go to the second statue. So this is the wolf statue. You already know who's this guy here. Hey, Morph! I just changed his color to light blue. Morph, look here. Over here. Look, these snowballs. These just downloaded mod. So look at Morph and just look at the statue. It matched with Morph. And the secret of here, you guys, wait a minute. I just left the door open. So let's just go here. Where could I? How should I go down? Oh yes. Just look how many wolves are here. I just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just forget the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 of wolves, and this is a very special thing. This is called a dropper. So these are the lanterns which I used to make the eyes. So if I turn on the lantern, you guys see the smoke? It usually gives me mutton. So I'm gonna put the mutton here. I'm just going to feed mutton. I'm just going to feed mutton to them. Who said that? Just a beep. Oh. How should I turn this button on? Oh, I couldn't sneak. Okay. He's still on my back, so I'm going to put the button in here, and then you can have one, you can have one, you can have one, you can have one. I have an idea. So let's make him stand. And look, I braided them. Look at the baby dog. Nope, don't you dare. Sit. Look at this baby. Just look at this baby here. He must also have one. The more I feed it, the more I feed it, the more it will start grow. Oh, it's a big dog now. Okay, so I'm just going to get out of here. Okay. Mutton. Oh my gosh, I just forgot something. So I just almost forgot to make. Oh, sorry guys, I can't even give. I just forgot to give the mutton back. So sorry, no more mutton for you. So I'm just going to go to the other statue. Oh, I just crashed. Will I crash? Wait a minute. Did anyone got hurt? Wait a minute. Who's this? Oh no, but another trouble. So I'm just going to make him go back. Hey, can you use ladders? Why are you not coming? Go inside. Yes. Good job. I'm just going to make you sit and then close the lever. Wait Why did I? Oh no! Ah, my bird! My bird! Oh yes, she's okay. So this is the the second statue. That was an awful fall. So this is the third statue. Over here you can see Cot here. This is a copy of Cot, the cat. Cot the cat. So you guys can see there was a lot of cats over here. Before the video there was, look, an ocelot here. There was a lot of ocelot and cats. There was a lot of, but I don't know, they just keep walking and walking and walking. Soon they just get lost. But I just make them free so that they can keep creepers away. Look, I can't even find a creeper anywhere. Look, one cat over here, another one in here. Oh, these are nothing for me. I was usually trying to hatch before making a castle, this was usually my base on hatching a dragon egg. Wait a minute, did I just said a dragon egg? Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Wait a minute, take this on here, and then I need some dragon food. Yes, and then go. My bird, where is he? She is a girl, a female girl. Yes, come on my back, come on my shoulder. Yes, okay. Let's just go forward and forward more. This thing is not even hatching. So I'm just going to go to the place of the statue. So I'm in the this enderman statue here. Wait a minute, I must fix this thing. Where is it? We got black concrete. We need this. So fall. Okay, if you wanna, you can stay here, bird. So this is the mysterious ender dragon egg, and in this shulker box, we got my ender pearls, my ender eyes, and chorus fruits. Let me try this chorus fruit outside. I want to try this chorus fruit. So if I come here, then go up. Did I break anything? So let's go. I'm not very good at climbing ladders. Hey, kitty, get up. I just want to try this on the ground. This is amazing fruit. If I eat it, wow! If we eat it, we could teleport. You guys see? I want to teleport on the wolf. Wait a minute. I didn't even teleport it. Look, I kept teleporting. I statue, hope I don't fall. Hey, bird. Wait a minute. Hey, what are you doing here? Everyone will see you. Good that I pushed him. I think, wait a minute. What about oh no, my dragon. Finally it hatched. Finally. Wanna tame it? Wanna tame it? Tame it. 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 Yes, I want him to sit. So guys, next time in the next video I will show you training my dragon at full size. So be sure to click that subscribe button with your turtle shells. So bye. Yay! Fireworks. Bye. Be safe.